Okay, so how to change language in Excel? Right click, I'll create new Excel file, so here it is, and I will run it. Okay, so now I need to go to data, and here let's go to file, parameters, so options, yeah. And here we need to find language tab, so here it is. Yes, let's change it to English. Okay, and set it by default. Select English again and move it to the top. So now it's by default English. So interface, and okay, I'll click OK, confirm, and restart, close, and run again Excel. So let's open Excel again, and now as you can see, everything is on English language. Everything is working now. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful.